Welcome to another instructive video by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to block country traffic in DirectAdmin. Log in to DirectAdmin panel. Go to System Info and File section and click on File Manager. Select public_HTML folder and right-click on .htxs file. Click on Edit option. Enter this code at the end of the file. The given line has used the US, which is the country code for the United States of America. It will block all the web traffic from the country if you enter its country code here. You can refer the link given in the description section below to find the country codes you're looking for. Click on Save. In this way, you can block country traffic in DirectAdmin. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share the video. Do follow us on other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn.